So good morning student, this is topic rationalization. In topic rationalization, what is the rationalization? Here one number is given root 6 upon root 2 plus 3 and the denominator of this number root 2 plus root 3. This is a irrational number. So rationalization is a process to make this denominator or irrational number to convert in rational number. Rationalization is a process in which we convert this irrational number into a rational number. So इस irrational number को हम rational number में convert करेंगे. So for this we follow one process step by step. I am telling you the process. सबसे first step is root 6 upon denominator में denominator is root 2 plus root 3. Root 2 plus root 3. This one irrational number and between sign is plus. यहाँ टू नंबर्स होंगे, दोनों के बीच में प्लस या माइनस साइन से कनेक्टेड होंगे. सो वी हैव टू लुक दिस ऑपरेशन प्लस आर माइनस. सो इफ प्लस इज गिवन देन rationalization factor for this is root 2 minus root 3 means same numbers लेने हैं and we have to change only the sign. If plus is given then we have to apply minus sign. So rationalization factor for root 2 plus root 3 is root 2 minus root 3. Now we have to multiply root 2 minus root 3 in the numerator and denominator. दोनों में हम numerator और denominator में same rationalization factor से multiply करेंगे. So when we multiply this, so root 6 multiply with root 2 minus root 3. root 6 को multiply करेंगे हम root 2 minus root 3 में and denominator multiply with denominator. So root 2 plus root 3 multiply with root 2 minus root 3. So multiplication कैसे होगा? First we open the bracket. So root 6 multiply with root 2 and now minus sign is here. So we have to put minus sign. Then root 6 multiply with root 3. Root 6 multiply with root 3. After that this multiplication completed. ये multiplication complete हो गया. Now denominator. Look the denominator. This is root 2 plus root 3. Root 2 minus root 3. Means here we get one formula. Which formula? A plus B and A minus B. These terms are in form of A plus B and A minus B. So we can apply one formula that is A square minus B square. Here we are using this formula. This formula from this by this formula we can write root 2 plus root 3 root 2 minus root 3 is equals to root 2 square minus root 3 square. A की वैल्यू कितनी हो गई यहाँ पर? A is equals to root 2 and B is equals to root 3. So root 2 square minus root 3 square. ये किस में कन्वर्ट हो गया? ये वाला मल्टीप्लाई root 2 square minus root 3 square. This after this we will multiply this. So root 6 into root 2. मैंने आपको बताया था you can't add different roots number but we can multiply root 2 and root 6. दोनों multiply होंगे and कैसे multiply होंगे? root 2 into root 6 multiply होके होगा root 12 and minus sign is here, so we put minus sign. Root 6 into root 3. Root 6 into root 3 is equals to root 18 and root 2 का square. root 2 square root 2 into root 2 क्या बन जाएगा? 2 and root 3 square root 3 into root 3 बन जाता है 3. Now this term we have to simplify this. That's why I written here 12 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? फैक्टर्स बना सकते हैं 4 into 3 या 2 into 2 into 3 भी लिख सकते हैं. Then 18 का फैक्टर हो जाएगा 9 into 3. Now separate the roots. Roots separate कर सकते हैं. When multiply is here then root 4 root 3 दोनों को separate कर दिया. Here we separated root 9 और root 3 and denominator in denominator when we subtract 2 minus 3 then we get minus 1. Now we know that value of root 4 is equals to 2 and value of root 9 is equals to 3. सो पुट हियर रूट 4 किस में चेंज हो जाएगा, 2 में, दिस इज रूट 3, रूट 9 हो जाएगा 3 एंड दिस इज रूट 2 अपॉन -1. Since -1 is in the denominator, so -1 denominator में है, that's why we change the sign of the numerator. This becomes minus and this becomes plus. This is the answer. So by this method we can change the irrational number into rational number. ये एक rational number convert हो गया, 1 एक rational number है. So denominator कैसा मिल गया हमें, एक rational number. This is the process of rationalization.